In this video I'm going to be going over Builderall's new super checkout. For this example I'm going to be showing you how the super checkout works on my new solo ads website, which I'm launching very soon. So with the new super checkout, it does everything that the old marketplace does, so you can set up affiliate programs, you can set up multiple tiered affiliate programs. It's all GDPR compliant and all compliant with all the new ultra secure SCA, which Stripe and all the other payment processors are doing. So it's up to date and it's really awesome. So I'm going to scroll down here a minute. You can see that there's all you need to do to get your super checkout set up is attach a link to a button. So if I come in here and right click, you can see the link for the product inside of the super checkout. So that's all there and ready to go. So now I'm actually going to come into the super checkout, and then I open the super checkout, and this is where you can create and manage all of your products. So if I come to my products, you'll see the products that I've got. I've got the 100 clicks, the 250, the 500 and the 1000, and then done for you emails. And you can also create offers, so with upsells and downsells. And I'm going to create a new product so you can see the exact steps necessary to create a new product. And here is where you can set your affiliations as well. So you can approve affiliates, you can deny affiliates, you can set a whole affiliate tree. So you can set up multiple tiers with different percentages for different tiers and stuff like that. So you can literally build your own multi-level marketing program within inside the super checkout. That's why it's called the super checkout, because it truly is a super checkout which allows you to do a crazy amount of stuff. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. You put your business info in when you first come in, and that's got to be done for legal reasons. And then you can come in and you can create your first product. So now you simply need to put in your product name, choose the language, choose whether you want it to be digital or physical, and then you can choose the category. So for digital, you get to choose between ebooks, courses, services, consulting, and you can also enable affiliation as well if you want to offer an affiliate program with your product. Then you simply put in the product description, you put in your image, and you click next. Now you're on the next page, you're on pricing page, and you have to set up your payment methods. So right now you can do PayPal or Stripe, and you can integrate that here. Then you can choose this each and every time. Then you need to select the currency. So you can choose from all the different currencies that they've included so far. You can choose your refund period. You can choose if you want to add additional taxes, and you can also choose if you want it to be a single or recurring payment. So now you can simply come in, you can select your payment method and choose the currency, put in the value and click next. So now you can choose the design, so you can choose from 3 steps checkout or 2 steps checkout. And the 2-step checkout is basically for free plus shipping offers. And the 3 steps checkout is for everything else. So you can use a custom thank you URL, or you can select one from the actual website builder. You can also select the page where you'll sell the product. So this is where you will put the code that you get for the checkout. Once you've selected this and you've selected the thank you page, then you click next. And the email campaign is where you'll connect an email campaign to be sent out after someone purchases, but this also selects which fields will be visible inside of your page. So for example, I'll show you exactly what fields that I've got on my solo ads page. So if I click here and click solo ads, and then I come back to the solo ads page, and then I scroll down and I click on send my clicks, then you can see these are the additional fields that have been pulled from my Mailing Boss account and that list that I selected right here. So now I can click next, and I can also add and remove restricted areas. So if you want to restrict membership sites for when someone goes through the checkout. Now I can add some integrations. So if I want to enable webhooks, so data is sent to other websites when someone makes a purchase, I can do that and then specify the URL for it to be sent to. And you can also register an e-learning. So a new student will be registered in an e-learning course once someone buys the product. So once you've set that up, you just need to click next. And then you need to read the terms of use. And this isn't the terms of use for you to put on your website for your product. You need to make that yourself. This terms of use is for you to read and agree to, and to make sure that you're fully transparent, that you've got disclosures, support, and everything else. So you need to read these terms and only agree with them once you've read them, and do fully agree with them and abide by them. So when you're done, you simply create product, and then your product is created. So then you just need to come in links, and you can see the sales page where it's going to be sold. There's the thank you page, and then this is the checkout URL page that you copy into the button on your sales page. So very simple stuff, not very hard to do. And then, of course, you can create offers. So if you want bundles, bump sales and stuff like that, you can view all of your sales that you've had here and all your payments. And then you can come into affiliations if you want to add affiliate programs. I don't have any set up yet, which is why you're not seeing anything in here. So simple stuff, easy stuff, and really, really powerful. And I think it's really cool because it's all compatible with the new Stripe SCA super secure features, and it's also fully compliant with GDPR and all of the other pain in the butt technical stuff that, thanks to this checkout and the way it works, you don't have to worry about. So I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit that like button, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos, and I will see you in another video.